Good afternoon, everyone. Jonathan Davis here with Davis AutoSports. Excited to offer you guys a absolutely gorgeous 2015 Lamborghini Huracan LP 6104. Gorgeous, gorgeous car, top-notch condition, 14,000 original and documented miles, perfect history, perfect Carfax, fully serviced with records at Prestige in Miami and Lamborghini of Broward in Florida. Been a Florida car since day one. Aventador trade, roughly 90 legitimate $1,000 just recently invested over the last 12 months. We'll do a quick walk around just so you can get an overall idea of just how nice this car is, and we'll go into some details on the upgrades and condition. So as you guys see, exterior is just a gorgeous car overall. So all these upgrades, as mentioned, just done in 2024. Starting off full 1016 Industries, full carbon body, front diffuser, sides, rear diffuser. While those were, before those were installed, those were all expelled 10 mil PPF'd, and then the entire rest of the car was also expelled 10 mil PPF cleared. Every single panel, headlights, taillights, mirrors, rockers, every single thing on this entire car was done, and they did an absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous job. In addition to the 1016 Industries body, Anarchy 20 forged in the front, 21 in the rear. Full titanium exhaust, which sounds absolutely phenomenal. Everything on this car is authentic, no knockoffs. Expel ceramic tint all the way around, including the front windshield. The clear film itself has also been ceramic coated. Highly, highly original factory options as well. Spoiler is also PPF'd. They did such a good job, rounded the edges, the meeting point. You can barely notice it. Just a beautiful job. Lights are done. Rear diffuser's done. Down all the way past the fins, all the way to the undercarriage. Just a beautiful, beautiful job on the PPF. No paint work on the car. The wheels are absolutely perfect. Of course, carbon ceramic brakes. Carbon is in beautiful condition. In addition to the gorgeous exterior, showed you the titanium exhaust. It has a stage 2 ECU and transmission control module tune done by a company called Stage 4 Tuning out of Florida. Also has suspension that is done by I got a blank on that one. That will be on our listing on our website though. Inside's completely done as well. Carbon City custom steering wheel, custom seats, amazing sound system. Full carbon upgraded interior. Absolutely beautiful steering wheel. Custom seats as well. All Alcantara in the inserts, as you can see. Alcantara dash, headliner, door panels as well. Completely custom CNC box. This was done Lord, what's the name of the company? It's down in Florida. We'll put that in the listing as well. But absolutely gorgeous custom enclosure. The suspension just came to me, Novatech on the suspension. While we're here, check out the side splitter. I mean, the condition of this car is insane. Just look at the barrel of the wheel. It's just top notch. Really impressed with this box. I mean, it's beautiful. That's just a little bit of dust on there. This is the quick connect for the trickle charger. Got the cover, all the books and manuals, all the tire systems. Also have the
other emergency kit with gloves as well.
Is this your polishing pads and stuff for you?
Gloves still intact.
Yeah, that's mine. That's fine. This is the base control right there. So the first two revs were on Sport, and the last rev was on Strata. Go take it for a little cruise. If you're in the McLarens, we got a beautiful 600 LT. Quick drive. That yellow light on is just telling you that you're in sport mode. Car literally drives flawlessly. Thanks for viewing. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to contact us at 855-955-3377. Thank you.